We got some hungry chickens. I can hear them in there. It's morning. I fed the dogs. I went out to the garden. I kind of watered some stuff in the garden too. And now I'm taking care of the chickies. I'm gonna put my phone down here so y'all can watch these things. Look at those chickies. They're hungry little birds, aren't they? Hungry ducks, hungry guinea birds, hungry chickies. Let's take a walk into the chicken coop, see what's going on in there. Oh, shut up. Jeez. Boy, they knocked this over. I tell you what, they're ferocious when they're hungry. The ducks have eggs under that right there. The duckies' eggs are all under there. Woo! Scared me, chickie. Alright. Couple of mama chickies sitting in there. Hey, mama chickie. Hey, mama chickie. Sitting on a bunch of eggs. That's amazing. Oh. Looks like sometimes they eat their own. Yeah, and another mama chickie. You've been eating your own eggs again. She likes her eggs over easy. Look at that. That's amazing, isn't it? I guess it's about time to come out here and collect some eggs. Those mama chickies gonna be all upset at me. When I reach in there, they're gonna peck at me. Yeah. Mama chickies. Alright. So, early morning checking on the chickies. They've got plenty of water in their pool. I'll probably wash it out, the pool, and add them some fresh water. I'm not going to worry about getting eggs right now. I'll come out here later and grab some of those. I did get them, I forget which kind. The chicken food is it's the layer feed. You know, when you feed them the right stuff, especially if you want them to make eggs. Look at that. Mama chickies are sitting all over them, so they're definitely making eggs. If you want them to lay eggs, you give them the layer feed, and they will lay all kinds of eggs. Crazy chickies. Wish me luck in my gardens.